Hey, Spencer here, and welcome into our second episode of Product of the Week. Today we're going to be taking a look at the legendary ESS Rock Monitor AMT3 speaker pair. The first thing I have to say is I've listened to hundreds of speakers including Klipsch and Accustat, and the ESS are the best sounding speakers I have heard so far. The highs pronounced are immaculate, far better than the horns in my opinion, and the bass produced is as clean as it gets. These speakers are capable of perfect sound whether you're using them for your home theater, spinning vinyl, streaming, or any other media. Let's dive into them. Initially, you will notice the object sitting on top of the cabinet. You may wonder, what is that object? How did that get there? Well, that, my friends, is the Heil Air Motion Transformer tweeter and mid speaker. The unique breakthrough design was created in the mid-70s and is still the best mid-range tweeter out there. The 4-ohm ESS Rock Monitor AMT3 is a 3-way, 4-driver loudspeaker system which can handle a house-rocking 500 watts of power, and they are so efficient they can be driven by a minimum of 20 watts. The Heil AMT diaphragm is made of soft, quiet mylar to reduce background noise and is bonded with conductive aluminum strips. The low-mass diaphragm is suspended in a massive magnet structure concentrating the intense magnetic field around the diaphragm. The low mass and high output enables it to efficiently reproduce frequencies over a wide range, between 40 Hz low end and 24,000 Hz high end. For accuracy's sake, that's plus or minus 2 decibels near field measurement. The AMT is a dipolar transducer. A transducer converts energy from audio signals to mechanical energy or sound waves. Dipolar meaning it emits those waves from both front and rear, which creates a diffuse spatial sound impression, thus a more natural musical ambience. The diaphragm's unique shape delivers wide dispersion horizontally while effectively controlling the vertical sound, which creates a wide soundstage and minimizes unwanted floor and ceiling reflections. No need for unsightly acoustic tiles. The cabinet dimensions are 39¼ inches by 15 5/8 inches by 15 7/8 inches, which makes them great for any space. For the lower, mid-range, and upper bass frequencies, there is a powerful 6-inch driver mounted in an internal transmission line. This design directs the acoustics within the cabinet using folded reflector panels instead of the simpler closed or ported designs. This allows for better control and use of speaker energy, resulting in better sound. The deepest bass frequencies are transmitted through two 10-inch woofers. As an early ESS advertisement states, its extraordinarily wide dispersion allows complete freedom of placement with precise stereo localization at any listening position. The ESS speakers have been recently refreshed with 2 new 6-inch drivers as well as 4 new 10-inch woofers. The crossovers are original, recently tested to spec with a frequency of 250 to 700 Hz. Also, new speaker grill covers adorn the oiled walnut veneered cabinets, which are in great shape, Spencertified. Another notable feature is a 3-way brilliance presence selector switch with soft, normal, and bright settings, allowing you to adjust the high frequency settings to your ear, kind of like a treble control. I don't know the exact specifications of these settings, however, it allows for more autonomy to suit your sound palette. These unique speakers can be demoed in our new listening room. Quoting an ESS advertisement, the ESS Rock Monitor AMT3 is uncompromising in any aspect, construction, or performance. The AMT3 is the most accurate hybrid system ESS can produce. A brilliant example of sound as clear as light. This concludes our second episode of Product of the Week. Please leave a like and subscribe. Also, down in the comments section, go ahead and let me know what you think of these ESS speakers. You can also check out our website at Spencertified.com to find plenty of other cool vintage gear. See ya!